NASA's Voyager 1 probe, sending usable information to Earth again. The data just returned. It could change everything we know about the universe. They are on the edge of our solar system, and we found something. This caused a stir in the scientific community, and the implications go well beyond space exploration. The most shocking discovery was a brand new magnetic field. This has never been predicted before. It may force us to new thinking about our understanding of the entire interstellar environment. Imagine that. People used to think that the word influence of the sun as the spacecraft enters interstellar space weakened, but Voyager. But I met someone better than anyone. Expectations are stronger, more complex magnetic fields. This unexpected discovery is not just scientific curiosity. He may have a better understanding of space travel, protect our planet from cosmic radiation. Even the very nature of the universe matters. Although NASA is working hard to decode this discovery, but the impact on humanity is profound. If the interstellar magnetic field, as important as the traveler data suggests, he may be exploring new frontiers, even provide survival strategies for space colonization, open up new avenues. But if he's part of something more dangerous, something not yet known, we may be facing an unknown threat. This discovery coincides with SpaceX and other projects on the occasion of the establishment of colonial space in the sky. This new information is essential to our safety. Technology and the future hold great significance. For decades, Voyager mission. It has always been humanity's farthest eye into space. But everything they revealed at the edge of the solar system, it upends everything we knew before. Voyager 1 is now at a distance from Earth, more than 24 billion kilometers. Long past the end of the sun's influence, the world seeks the bottom of the layer. Since entering the vast realm of interstellar space in 2012, this is not the calm that scientists expected. Empty environment. On the contrary, he encountered a man full of dynamic environment of unexpected phenomena. These phenomena could change forever the future of space exploration. The most astounding discovery was cosmic rays. These, usually associated with violent events in supernova and black holes, associated high-energy particles. Scientists have always believed that the solar system acts as a protective shield, deflecting most of the cosmic radiation that permeates space. However, as the Voyager's instrument passed through the heliopause, a surprising increase in the intensity of cosmic rays has been detected. Show that this protective barrier, it didn't work as expected. This is more than just a minor anomaly. This is scientists were not prepared for significant spikes. This unexpected change in cosmic ray levels sent disturbing questions. And we're really prepared for that. Harsh beyond solar protection, space conditions, these unexpected levels of radiation for future interstellar missions, especially for those who will venture far from Earth. For astronauts in orbit, does it pose a threat? In the interstellar medium, what else? We haven't even considered it. These cosmic rays, maybe it's just a bigger invisible force, lurking in deep space. Faced with such a situation, humans are clearly ill-prepared for this. NASA and others, space agencies are urgently reviewing these measurements. However, with SCAC push further into Mars, this is no longer just a theoretical question. With us, every year, getting closer and closer to sending humans into space, perform long-term missions. This new data hints at unexpected potential dangers. The power in deep space may be greater than anything imagined. All of them are fierce. Menace is exploring the outer reaches of the solar system. No longer just out of curiosity. It was necessary to survive. About Rikyu sent back by the traveler. Unprecedented data on top-level behavior. Everything we know about the dynamics of space. But as this discovery progressed, for more advanced strategies. The demand for response is also increasing. For decades, scientists believe that the sun seeks the bottom of the layer, where the solar wind meets the interstellar ring, will be a smooth and easy to understand boundary. However, the traveler's discovery revealed shows a more complex situation. Unlike the expected gradual decrease in the solar wind, Traveler exposed bizarre magnetic and plasma fluctuations. This is contrary to the current model. These unexpected transformations shows power that we have yet to explain. These forces are not only useful for space exploration, have far-reaching implications. Same for planetary security, NES program simulation. Interaction between the heliosphere and the interstellar environment create new behaviors that can predict this. Models of latent risk. They are already working on the future. A series of plans over several years prepare for groundbreaking tasks to explore interstellar space in greater depth. In fact, when travelers step out of the solar system, the exploration has only just begun. These unknown magnetic forces pose a major challenge. If these forces are too powerful and unpredictable, they could affect future space missions. May endanger adventure, astronaut safety beyond Earth's magnetic field protection. If the solar system, the fluctuations at the edge are just bigger unknowns, signs of a phenomenon, it could affect the entire solar system. So the latest findings from the Voyager probe let scientists realize a stark truth. We know very little about forces in space. The spacecraft detected an anomaly. These phenomena cannot be explained by current science. Model to explain. These solar winds, cosmic dust, and the interstellar ring hints at the existence of unknown forces. These findings are particularly worrying because they show that we are interested in space, solar system, protecting bubbles and understanding the behavior of cosmic elements. Far from complete. Voyager's instruments capture irregularities. Shows that between the solar wind and cosmic dust particles, there are complex unknown interactions. Destroyed the edge of our solar system. Smooth flow of matter. This could suggest the existence of a new force. It could change the way we protect spacecraft and our understanding of the entirety of interstellar space. If these unknown forces are indeed more dangerous, they may be seriously threatening future space exploration, especially those the mission to protect the Earth. As countries' space programs advance, like the long moon, missions to Mars and beyond, these new findings forcing us to consider our skills. Technology and astronauts are unsure about this, the vulnerability of cosmic threats. However, this finding is not entirely a negative interpretation. These new forces could revolutionize space travel, provides insight into the true nature of the interstellar medium. It may even open up new methods of propulsion or protect astronauts from methods of exposure to harmful radiation and cosmic dust. If scientists be able to make use of this newly discovered knowledge, perhaps for humans, offer some new ways of interstellar exploration. The intensity of cosmic rays at the edge of the solar system has risen. It's not just a scientific puzzle. It's a high-stakes game. It could reshape the future of humanity. With Voyager 1 and 2 returning data, display universe, an astonishing increase in radiation levels, scientists starting to face an alarming reality. Our solar system's protective shield, the daily demand layer, may not be the guarantee we think. It's not just about space exploration. It's about life on Earth, our technology and our future in space. If the protective layer of the solar system is not strong enough, distant, constant, stars and cosmic events, the intense radiation emitted could invade the solar system, even reach the Earth. This means that settlement to Mars, the risks are greater than we realize. Much heavier. Radiation exposure can lead to devastating health problems. critical to long-term manned space missions. These missions are crucial to the world's space program. If scientists cannot find a way to reduce ways to lighten this radiation, these tasks could be significantly delayed, even give up. As we push the boundaries of space exploration, should we consider how to protect those who will? First adventure. People who enter the danger zone. Space agency. Should it be the wind that forms for astronauts? Insurance is responsible. The name of space that many people dream of. In the face of intense cosmic radiation, it is worrying. But if the solar system's protective layer is really weakening, we may be facing a much larger universe. The beginning of the event. This event will not only affect space travel, it will also affect life on Earth. Are we beginning to face a radiation, greater cosmic crisis of rising levels? We don't know yet. The Voyager mission has long exceeded their expectations, especially in the field of communication. Considering the flight, the age of celestial objects, and the challenges posed by interstellar rings, this kind of data transmission already lit. Space experts and engineers were astonished. Space communications experts in the field initially predicted, as travelers' distance from the Earth increases, data transfer rate will be marked by the gradual weakening of the spacecraft signal. Decline, however. Recent data indicates that traveler number 1 is still going at a much higher rate than expected. Send critical information. Compared to the original 15,000 bits per second, the spacecraft is still moving at a rate of, it runs at 160 bits. At such a great distance, this speed is still amazing. This feat, it's pushing us up. Understanding the possibility of space communication. An important reason for this is the flight. Celestial communication technology. It was designed to be better than expected. Longer survival and transmission. The traveler's high-rise one-day antenna is still working, sending signals to Earth with stunning clarity. The round-trip time of the data signal is nearly 22 hours. High-speed performance for travelers. Yin. Let's continue to learn about our solar system. The value of the periphery. Information according to the California Institute of Technology former traveler, project scientist Edward. According to Dr. Stone, Voyager mission. Continued success in data transmission. It's space exploration, one of the most impressive achievements. We're learning more about liftoff every day. What makes this all the more remarkable? This kind of performance can be used as a future risk. Risk goes deeper. A blueprint for space missions in more remote regions. If travelers can continue to transmit for years, he could revolutionize our design in the long run. The way of space exploration missions. On the other hand, this continuous transmission of data, there are also potential downsides. A spacecraft-dependent communication system perform critical data transmission. Ultimately, it could become a burden. As the spacecraft's power reserves continue to dwindle, its power supply is expected to run out around 2025. To the Earth, the ability to send data could be severely affected. The spacecraft is already operating on limited power. It uses its last nuclear power source to maintain its instruments. Active device. If the system fails, there may be significant gaps in the data collection process. Let scientists at a critical moment know key information. Voyage of the traveler. Entering the unknown space has exceeded every previous goal. Period. In unprecedented detail, revealing uncharted regions of the interstellar medium. But as the spacecraft moved further into the void, he asked more questions than he answered. For thinking about understanding our solar system, for fringe scientists, it's an uncomfortable reality for them. In the vast space between the stars, what is there? Although travelers continue to send back valuable data, but he still doesn't know what happened to him, because everything he found is against us. Understanding of interstellar space. Opposite. Voyager's instruments detect fluctuating magnetic fields, strange radiation patterns, and phenomena. These phenomena suggest previously unknown forces and the existence of celestial bodies, accidents of objects that are not even thought to exist. Communication has researchers scrambling to find an explanation. One of the most intriguing possibilities is the traveler encountered an unknown interstellar object, maybe even a whole new universe. So here are our current instruments and models, never been able to detect. This could be a whole new understanding of the structure of the universe and the future of humanity, the latent risk in space, and interests. Here's the key question. How can we prepare for the unknown? These unknown objects, is it relevant for future space missions? Pose a threat? Or do they have the key to advancing humanity into interstellar space, such as if Voyager's sensors are catching us, even the interaction of objects that don't know they exist. So what else lurks in the deep, cold darkness? Amid unknown risks comes hope. If travelers can continue to transmit this type of data, he might open up astrophysics and new frontiers of space exploration. This new field may contain centuries of the answers to the questions that plague humanity. This accidental communication with interstellar objects, will it usher us into a new era of exploration? Or did he expose our awareness of space, the ignorance of understanding, put humanity in a better position than ever before, more dangerous situation? As travelers move further into uncharted territory, one problem remains. The forces he encountered, does it foreshadow a much larger area outside our solar system? Something darker? Or it's a universe we're not ready for? Threat warning. Perhaps what the traveler reveals next. Future space exploration. Even our technology may have a direct impact. When he reaches his limit, we will find ourselves in a probe. The new era of Suo. We are still facing an unimaginable crisis. Please comment and discuss together.